A special parliamentary hearing on the Choi Soon-sil scandal continues. Today's session focuses on President Park's whereabouts during the 7 crucial hours she was out of the public eye on April 16, 2014, during the sinking of the Sewol-ho ferry, which left 304 people dead, most of them high school students on a field trip. Park Ji-won has our top story.
The witnesses at Wednesday's hearing were called in to testify on allegations that the president was receiving injections for beauty treatments when the Sewol-ho ferry was sinking. Most of the dozen or so witnesses are or were medical staff at the presidential office, as well as the president's private physicians. One is former National Security Council Chief Kim Jang-soo, who said he sent several document briefings to the president about the accident and had several phone conversations with her. He also said, however, that he's not sure about the president's whereabouts on that day. He said he heard from his assistant, who was delivering the briefs on his behalf, that the president didn't seem to be at the presidential office, but was at her official residence on that morning. Both locations are part of the Cheongwade complex.
My assistant told me that the president didn't seem to be at the presidential office, so I thought to myself that if she wasn't there, then she must be at the residence. After that, I sent the subsequent briefings to the residents.
Testimony from a woman who was a nursing officer at the presidential office at the time seemed to confirm that.
In the morning of that day, I went to the residence to bring the gargle solution to the president. I couldn't see the president myself, but I gave it to an employee at the residence.
Other witnesses said they do not know the specifics of what the president did during her 7-hour absence, nor do they know whether she was receiving beauty treatments. The medical staff and doctors did say, however, that the president received shots for health reasons, but at other times. Lawmakers also scrutinized the allegations that the president's confidant, Choi Soon-sil, introduced her favorite plastic surgeons and doctors to the president, some of whom were given special favors from the government. Some of the doctors admitted that they were introduced to the president through Choi, but denied getting favors from the presidential office. The 4th hearing will be held on Thursday, and President Park's former chief of staff Chung Yun-hwae, who is also the ex-husband of Choi Soon-sil, is expected to give testimony related to the massive power abuse scandal. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.